So many things in our life either have an external catalyst, or eventually when we find those things in our life, we find them on the outside. So much attention is paid to what is going around us that we sometimes forget to look within. And what actually, when all is said and done, what we are really looking for is within, inside of us. The simple thing. You won't find the world, the worldly things on the inside. What you will find on the inside is serenity. What you will find on the inside is peace. What you will find on the inside is that simple joy. And these are so important in our lives. Sometimes we think, well, peace is nice. No, peace is not just nice. It is so fundamental. And this is why this journey is so important. Because what we are pursuing here is not just this and that. It is the very fundamental things. The very things that our foundation needs to be built on. And those things, those foundations, when they are strong in our lives, they allow us to go wherever we have to go, whatever we have to do, wherever we venture, but we know that our foundation is there. This is what is important. This is incredibly important. Because if the foundation is not sound, if the foundation is not solid, then anything can come and the house falls down. But when the foundation is solid, when you know that you're anchored in that joy, that you are anchored in that peace, you are anchored in that fulfillment, then come what may, but you will have that solid footing in your existence.